Hi everyone, Kirti is back and today we are traveling home. So the thing is that we are giving surprise at home. We have not told anyone that we've been coming, and it's me. It's my husband here who is still not interested, and here's my brother-in-law.
Hi.
So yeah, we are together traveling home. We have to travel around 814 kilometers, and above everything, today is Independence Day. So let's see all around Uttar Pradesh how people are celebrating their Independence Day, and I will keep you all updated. My outfit check. Hi, तो अब हम मथुरा पहुंच गए हैं.
वो दिखाओ ना.
अच्छा हाँ, रुको. अब हम मथुरा पहुंच गए हैं एंड अभी भी हम 701 किलोमीटर दूर हैं. 701 किलोमीटर अभी भी हम दूर हैं एंड वी आर लिसनिंग टू ग्रैंड. वी हैव क्रॉस्ड आगरा एंड नाउ आई एम गेटिंग स्टार्टेड विद दूध चिप्स. अच्छा पतिदेव जी, एक बात बताइए कि अभी हम जब नोएडा से चढ़े थे हाईवे पे, तो वो कौन सा हाईवे था? यमुना एक्सप्रेस वे था. तो और आपका ओपिनियन क्या है कि कौन सा कौन से हाईवे पे गेटिंग इनटू द हाईवे इज द बेस्ट थिंग? क्योंकि नोएडा से और भी रूट्स हैं जाने के, रहे घर जाने के.
मेरे को नहीं पता है, बंद करो.
वैसे नहीं बताऊं. ओके, राइट नाउ हम आगरा एक्सप्रेस वे हैं और ये आगरा एक्सप्रेस वे कहाँ तक जाएगा? लखनऊ तक. ओके, सो हियर इट इज रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग्स एंड मुझे लगता है कि बारिश इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि राजकुमारी जी घर जा रही हैं एंड हमारे लिए सारे रास्ते साफ हो रहे हैं. इट्स सो प्रिटी. You know this place, it sometimes makes me feel like कि मैं बैंगलोर में हूँ and I'll tell you why. बैंगलोर में क्या होता है ना, सुबह उठते ही ऐसे एकदम ठंडा लगने लगता है. It's like it's a winter. उसके बाद बहुत धूप होता है and then you feel like it's summer. और उसी दिन फिर धीरे धीरे जैसे the day goes by बारिश होने लगता है. And literally अभी we were coming, it rained for like some time. The road, it's like बारिश हुआ ही नहीं है. It's literally like that. There is this one more thing I want to tell. My husband is so talented. I'll tell you. जब हम घर से निकले थे तो time it was showing कि हम शाम को 8 o'clock तक पहुंच जाएंगे, around 8:05, 8:10 ऐसे पहुंच जाएंगे. And now he's been driving continuously. We have 607 kilometers to go and it is showing कि हम 7:47 पे घर पे होंगे. एंड एक सेकेंड, वो तो हम गोरखपुर में होंगे ना. गोरखपुर से फिर और हमें जाना होगा, राइट? बट स्टिल talented, my talented husband. So just now you saw it was raining and then it felt like it was winter and now it's धूप all around.
लेट जो मालूम लेटे हुए तो ना लेटे.
धूप को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
सनलाइट.
सनलाइट बोलते हैं. नहीं, धूप को इंग्लिश में सनलाइट नहीं, कुछ और बोलते हैं. जो भी है वो आ रहा है. आई मीन इट्स देयर, व्हाटएवर. व्हाई आर यू लाफिंग? ओके, सो देवर जी, आई हैव अ डाउट. अगर धूप को इंग्लिश में सनलाइट कहते हैं तो हिंदी में धूप क्यों कहते हैं? सूरज की रोशनी क्यों नहीं कहते हैं?
Because Hindi is more sophisticated and to the point, very precise. That's why Hindi is superior.
Oh.
And I am saying this because today is Independence Day, so
Right.
English से हमें आज़ादी चाहिए और हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे. That's
Then we should just talk in Sanskrit, right?
But I think that's kind of outdated, archaic. So, but still we can talk. Tom King Kuryami.
Okay, fine. I don't know. No, but teach me Sanskrit. Now I don't know Sanskrit.
Even I don't know how to speak Sanskrit. Only thing which I know is balak बालकौ बालका बालकम बालकौ बालका बालका बालकौ बालकेन
Wow.
बालक बालका नाम बालका नाम.
Yes, we can vibe with it.
This is all I know.
Even I know Rama, Rama, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I know that much.
Patti, Patsi, Pathanti, and I don't remember.
There's one more. Gachanti, Gachami.
Gachasi.
Gachasi, yeah.
Yeah, so it's all tense in Sanskrit.
Yeah, when I was in 10th standard, I studied Sanskrit. That's how I knew it.
And when I was in 6th class, that was the last time when I studied Sanskrit. But I have been reading this scriptures and also थोड़ी बहुत आती है, otherwise I do not know.
Okay.
But I'm planning to learn it later on.
Oh yes, please, and do recommend me something as well.
100%. I want to read Mrich Katikam, which is this is a Sanskrit or Kannada, I don't know what, but
It's Kannada.
Kannada, Mrich Katikam.
No, you said Kannada, right? It's Kannada.
It's
Yeah.
Kannada.
Yeah. And Patidev ji, do you know Sanskrit? कुछ भी नहीं आता. रामा भी नहीं आता.
अश्व मतलब घोड़ा.
अश्व मतलब घोड़ा. Yes.
And do you know for a fact, I would like to tell you, you are Ashwa Yoni. I mean, you are having eagerness and not eagerness, but power of a horse.
Yes.
So you are Ashwa Yoni. He is, you know what he is? He is Musak Yoni. Means he is a rat.
My cute babu.
And you know who am I? What am I?
What are you?
Now please try guessing.
Are you? I don't know.
One who barks a lot.
A
I
dog?
think this is what I'm doing. Yes.
Hey, no,
so
don't
I'm
say
Swan
that.
Yoni, I'm a dog.
Okay.
I'm having, that basic instinct of dog.
Oh, so this car is filled with a rat, a dog, and a horse.
But I'm very faithful.
Oh yes, dogs are. Yes. So Kirti is back. हम यहाँ पे lunch करने आए हैं. We are having lunch here, and I've ordered burger for myself क्योंकि we are so hungry. So we just had our lunch sometime back, and I ate. मैं क्या खाई थी? Burger. I ate burger, and my husband. He had, आप क्या खाए थे? बन मस्का ना? बन मस्का एंड अदरक वाली चाय. गर्मी में अदरक वाली चाय कौन पीता है? And here's my Devar ji. What did you eat?
I ate chole bhature.
He had chole bhature. And how was it?
It was very nice. I didn't expect it to be very nice, but it was actually very nice. Very, very nice.
Yeah, but still you had complaints. इतना expensive है.
Yeah, it was very expensive as well. So that's one bad thing about it. Otherwise, very good.
And what about the suggestion that you were giving? कि next time somebody comes here, should they go to food court?
No, they should never get to the food court. Instead, there's a hidden place. I would say hidden gem. We should go there. That's a very lovely place, and also things are very inexpensive, very
Okay.
normal range. So you can go and take delight in that. It's an amazing
So
place.
what's the name of the hotel or whatever it is?
Yeah, it's Jagat Dhaba.
Jagat Dhaba.
Yeah.
So here's and suggestion. Next time you
And
are
also one more suggestion: don't buy anything, especially if it's edible. Don't buy anything which you haven't tasted before. So
yeah, that I take it
that
as
you
well,
should.
because we bought Faluda and it was so bad. It was like really bad.
And last option, you will have to chuck it out.
Yeah, we
That's it.
literally had to throw it off. So don't buy.
Yes. 100%.
I am so mesmerized by this view. Like if you look at the fields, they are so green. I don't know what to say. They're just so pretty. And this is my view. I don't know. Like it's been such a while since I've been having this view. Like literally me and my husband, we've been traveling all over India. Like before this.
All over it.
So I bought this gum. It's called
सर्च करो टाटा पंच के टायर कितना दिन में चेंज होगा, कितना किलोमीटर पर.
I got this gum. It's called Watermelon Burst, and it's a sugar-free gum. So it's a little expensive, and my husband was like, "Why did you purchase such an expensive gum?" वो क्या था? So this gum is like good, okay? It's sugar free. Sugar free gums are. They have told me that they are going to make me try an authentic food of Lucknow.
When did we say this?
You said, wow. On camera, you're changing.
It was an empty promise.
What do you mean empty promise? So you guys are not taking me? Wow. And you're also not taking me? You know what? I'm going alone.
No, I'll tell you, Bangalore cuisine, South Indian cuisine is the best, and anything which we told you about Lucknow, it was just a fabricated story. Lucknow food is very bad, so better. That's why we are not taking you there. You should only be trying food from Bangalore.
ये ताना है क्या?
नहीं, ये ऐसा है कि भाई यहाँ का खाना बहुत खराब है, हम यहाँ का नहीं खाते हैं. घर का खाना बहुत अच्छा है, so we'll take you there.
ये ना तरीका है ये बोलने का कि हम तुम्हें कहीं लेके नहीं जा रहे हैं, चुपचाप घर चलो, घर पे खाना खाओ. ये एक तरीका है बोलने का. पतिदेव जी, हम लोग गांव क्यों जा रहे हैं? मुस्कुराइए, आप लखनऊ में हैं. So we got off Yamuna Expressway and we are getting into Purvanchal Expressway, and our next stop is going to be Gorakhpur ना? Yes. See, यहाँ पे आके मैं यहाँ के like you know places से बहुत ज़्यादा familiar हो गई हूँ. पहले I was like you know too much like not aware कि कब क्या आएगा, कौन सा एक्सप्रेसवे पकड़ना है, क्या है. एंड नाउ आई एम लाइक सो मच अवेयर. इट फील्स लाइक मैं यहीं की हूँ और मुझे सब कुछ पता है यहाँ के बारे में. इट्स सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टू टेक इन प्रोबायोटिक. लाइक आई जस्ट हैड चांच एंड आई फील so good right now. I was feeling so exhausted and I was feeling like अब मुझसे हम आ गए हैं रायबरेली. और
नंबर लेके पूछा मशीन.
if you look at the sunset, it's already 6:15. The sun is setting and we are almost around. Okay, I've eaten chocolate, so it has sit on over my face. So we are almost like 96 kilometers away from Gorakhpur, and we will be soon reaching home. I don't know when. Maybe around 9 or something, hopefully. So the car has continuously ran, like we barely stopped for an hour, and I drove for like I don't know some time. I did drive. Then let's see. पीछे जाओ, अच्छा नहीं. Okay, let's see when will we.
अच्छा तुमको उस समय बोला पीछे